Hi, students. Last week we looked at Scarborough Fair by Paul Simon, and it offered an opportunity to play a tab, arpeggio, much like the guitar part in the original recording. I'm going to review and examine what these numbers mean. They are the frets. They are the frets, and they are within the chord. The E minor chord, the E minor chord, the D, and then again to the E minor. Now this piece is in 3/4, so you start with the thumb on the third string. It's the fourth fret on the E minor. Let me boost up my signal here. So you've got an E minor chord, and you have your thumb on the third finger. And I would use your ring finger and the middle finger for first, ring finger for the first and the middle finger for the second. And you're using the thumb. My first finger is just hovering. And notice I have my pinky like a kickstand. It starts with the fourth fret. It starts with the third string. And it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and then same strings, same order on the D chord. That 3 1 2 3 1 2 back to. So very close up and personal. You could see. And then you. Now, if I would take this slow, I would take this very slow. Let me go back to the large view of the piece. In 3/4, and it's a pattern. It's a pattern that 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. The downbeat in 3/4 is always strong. And I would venture to say you could just loop this, or just first start with E minor until you get that smooth. And then the D. And then back. I'd venture to say the chords of this piece are not that difficult. You could almost maintain this same finger style for the song. For instance, when the words come up. Are you going to Scarborough Fair? Parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. Remember me to one who lives there. She once was a true love of mine. And so on. Yeah, this is it's a nice touch, and if I can do it, you can do it. I always maintain that it just takes a little bit of practice, and it sounds great on a ukulele. The ukulele is being pushed into so many pop songs, and it lends itself to a lot of rock songs. Now we know that from certain performers that this is no exception. A very nice rendition of a Paul Simon song. Okay, have fun with that.